Democratic Copy Cultural Society, organized by the United Copy Youth Association in collaboration with Mr. KYF.
Please put your hands together for contestant number 22. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 32.
Presenting you contestant number 33.
Please put your hands together for contestant number 34. Next, please give it up for contestant number 25. Presenting to you contestant number 36. Please give it up for contestant number 37. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you contestant number 38. Please give it up for contestant number 39.
People, you are witnessing the traditional round of the Mr. KYF 2024, which is presented by the Kabi Cultural Society, organized by the United Kabi Youth Association, UKYA, in collaboration with Mr. KYF Committee 2024, which is sponsored by Mr. Engti in loving memory of late Engti and Semsonsing. Mrs. Konika Biswas, Mr. Bikram Singh Rompi, DFO is division, Mr. Pranab Teron, Terang ACF, Mr. Bibison Topi ACF, Glass Corner, Mr. Manov Terang Jambili NGO, Youth and Sweet Factory, The Readers Cafe, CPEX, Cafe A09, Design Graphics, Mukesh Hyundai, Birla. Also, we have our official media partners for the Mr. KYF 2024, Kabi Young Wong today, Fu Boys, News 24, Kabi Young Wong. contestant. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, the result of the traditional round shall be announced here right now. So this is a request to all the contestants to please, when we call out your contestant number, kindly come to the stage.
And out of 41 contestants, only 20 contestants will go to the next round. Bang Kikebrai si a contestant ang open bang Inkoi a contestant si next round long dulong chopo. Tante a contestant number Hampon Pinoy ma. Hampon people day. So the first contestant going for the next round is contestant number. Any guesses from the audience? Contestant number 38.
Contestant number 38,
Contestant number
please come to
38.
the stage.
Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 38? The next contestant is any guesses from the audience? Kumalang ito lang po. Sinima. And the next contestant is contestant number 35. Contestant number 35. Can we have you on the stage, please? Contestant number 35. Contestant number 35. Can we have you on the stage, please?
Contestant number 35, can we have you on the stage, please?
All right, people, can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 35?
Ladies and gentlemen, the next contestant to go to the second round is contestant number 32. Contestant number 32, can we have
contestant is contestant number 23. Contestant number 23. People, can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 23? Contestant number 33. 33. Contestant number 33. Once again, please give it up for contestant number 33. Moving to the next round is contestant number 26. 24. Contestant number 24. 24. Everyone, give it up for contestant number 24.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next contestant to move forward to the next round is contestant number 11. Contestant number 11, can we have you on our stage, please? Please give a big round of applause for contestant number 11.
And the next contestant going to the next round is contestant number 8. Contestant number 8. 08. Can we have a big round of applause, people?
Ladies and gentlemen, the next contestant going forward to the next round is contestant number 40. Contestant number 40, can we have you on our stage, please? 4040.
Contestant number 40. 40. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together once again for contestant number 40. The next contestant is going forward to the next round is contestant number 36.
36. Contestant number 26.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 36. The next contestant to move forward to the next round is contestant number 34. Contestant number 34, can we have you on our stage, please? Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to contestant number 34.
Last but not the least, moving to the
requested to get ready for the next round, to get dressed up for your next round. Until then, we shall proceed our event with a special performances by various artists present here tonight with us.
Sound engineers, please stop the music. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Ini tu traditional round. Apa kalau ponsel kang tony lo? Lapen adun tu round apa ke normal lang so people sini tu pancing pon ikpo. Lasinon lapen so alang litum kachisek sek. Ili tu lunar ju poning nama. Songji gadi. Okay. So the next performance will be performed by our invited artists. And so I would like to request my co-host to announce the name.
It gives me a privilege to introduce them to you all, but can you guess who will be the next artist to perform here for us? I will give you a clue. I will give you a clue. So they are a boy band. They are a boy band who made their first debut during the 48 Karbi Youth Festival. Can you guess? I can't hear you. Can you guess? They are a boy band consisting of 5 members and had made their first debut during the 48 Karbi Youth Festival. So who are they? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Riso Akai and band, everyone!
May we please invite Riso